It's Woody the Woodpecker, number 2. Woody also likes to dance. Just dance, it'll be okay. Okay, stop it. Stop it. Look at his name. Look at his name. Woody the Crap Pecker. Okay? It's Woody the Crappish Pecker, okay? Also, Woody likes to twist around like this. Wee. Where's he gone? Where the hell have you gone? Meow. 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 What the fuck are you doing? This is what I'm doing. What the hell? I'm teabagging. I'm blinking teabagging, you twat. I'm teabagging, you twat. I'm teabagging, you twat. Also, Woody likes to lie in a bed. This is the life. This is the life of a pork chop on a stick. This is also a life of a fish. A fish. And also Woody likes to speed. I am speed. Oh crap. My God, Woody, you're going too far. You're going too far. Go the other way. You're gonna fall. And he fell. Great. He freaking fell. Bitch. I'm back alive! See you in the next video! Sadly, this is the end of me! It's the end of this Woody Pecker series! Woody Twat Pecker, whatever it's called. Bye!